Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to send money from Revolut to Chase in 2025. Whether you're managing finances across borders or just transferring funds between accounts, this process has gotten even easier with the latest updates. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both your Revolut and Chase accounts set up and verified. Open the Revolut app on your phone and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually at the bottom of the home screen. Here, you'll see options for domestic and international transfers. Next, select Send or Transfer Money. You'll need to choose the currency and amount you want to send. Now, for the key part, enter the recipient's details. In Chase, your account will have a specific routing and account number, so grab those from your Chase app or online banking. Type them into the Revolut form accurately to avoid any delays. Before confirming, double-check for any fees. In 2025, Revolut might charge a small fee for external transfers, depending on your plan, and Chase could have incoming transfer policies. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your PIN or biometrics. The money should arrive in your Chase account within minutes to a few hours, thanks to faster payment systems. One quick tip: always verify the recipient details to prevent errors, and keep an eye on exchange rates if you're dealing with different currencies. That's it, you've successfully transferred your funds. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.